How to check the battery health of your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can check the battery health of your iPhone. Now, this can be necessary just to know how good your battery is and if you need servicing for it. So for that, what we can do is first head over to our settings. On our settings, we'll need to just scroll down and go to General first. So you can go to General, and on your General, just go to your software update and update your iPhone to the latest version first. After you update that, you can then go back here, come back to your settings initial page, then simply search for your battery. So it's right here on the top, tap on battery. After that, you will see battery health and charging. Tap on that as well, and there you'll see the maximum capacity. So that is actually your battery health, and as you can see, mine is at 75. Now anything below 80 should be considered bad, and you might have to take some measures for that. So we can just go and check for new battery. You can replace it, get a better battery, and that's basically it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.